HappyFox is a popular help desk software, but before you commit, here are 12 things you absolutely need to know. Whether you're comparing it to other solutions or just looking for a solid pick, these points will help you make a more informed decision. Stick around till the end to see how HappyFox stacks up, and we'll even share a better option for you to try for free. First, HappyFox offers a clean and intuitive interface. Compared to other help desk software like Zendesk, it's straightforward, making it easy for your team to start using it immediately. While Zendesk can be overwhelming with its many features, HappyFox keeps things simple, letting you get right to work without wasting time on training. Next thing, HappyFox provides great ticket management tools. You can manage customer requests through tickets, categorize them, and prioritize them based on urgency. While its features are solid, it doesn't have the same level of customization options that some competitors, like Freshdesk, offer for ticket workflows. However, if you're looking for a straightforward system, this won't be an issue. The third thing is automation. HappyFox has some basic automation features to streamline processes like ticket assignment and follow-ups. However, it lacks advanced automation that some competitors, like Zohodesk, provide. If your team needs highly customizable workflows and triggers, this might be a deal breaker. The fourth thing is reporting. HappyFox offers useful reporting tools to track ticket resolution times, customer satisfaction, and team performance. While it's not as advanced as some options like Jira Service Desk, it still covers all the basic metrics most businesses need to monitor their support operations. Now, let's talk about integrations. HappyFox supports integrations with common third-party tools like Slack, Google Apps, and Shopify. It's not as extensive as Zendesk's integration library, but if your business uses these common platforms, you'll have no trouble syncing them. Next up, customer support is something you'll want to consider. HappyFox offers email and live chat support, along with a solid knowledge base. Compared to others like Freshdesk, which provide 24/7 support, HappyFox's support hours may not be enough for some businesses, especially those with teams operating across different time zones. The seventh thing to know is that HappyFox provides multi-channel support. This means you can handle requests coming from email, chat, phone, and social media all in one place. It's a big plus for businesses looking to centralize their customer support. The eighth thing is the pricing model. HappyFox can be on the pricier side compared to solutions like Freshdesk and Zohodesk, especially if you need advanced features. While it offers solid value for the price, it's important to make sure it aligns with your budget and needs. Moving on to customization. HappyFox gives you a fair amount of customization options for its ticketing system, but when compared to competitors like Jira, the level of customization is a bit limited. If you're a company that needs deeply tailored workflows, this might not be the best fit. The 10th thing is security. HappyFox takes security seriously, offering SSL encryption and two-factor authentication. But if top-tier security is crucial for your business, you may want to consider options like Zendesk, which offer more advanced security measures. Next, mobile functionality. HappyFox offers mobile apps for both iOS and Android, so your team can manage support tickets on the go. This feature is comparable to what's offered by competitors like Freshdesk, but if you're looking for a more robust mobile app experience, you may want to check other alternatives. The 12th and final thing is user feedback. HappyFox generally receives positive reviews, with customers praising its ease of use and good ticket management features. However, some users have noted that while it offers a solid set of features, it doesn't always match the advanced options of other help desk software like Zendesk or Freshdesk. To wrap things up, HappyFox is a reliable and easy-to-use help desk solution that's especially great for small to mid-sized teams. But if you need something more customizable or cost-effective, you may want to explore other options. We've got a recommendation for you that you can try for free, so check it out in the link below.